You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this molecule. If you want to learn more medical terms, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons more useful pronunciations for you. Two different ways indeed, I'm afraid. In English, L-Theanine, that might be a bit more the UK pronunciation, L-Theanine, but it's also correct, also used as a pronunciation to say L-Theanine. So yes, you've been correct all along, L-Theanine or L-Theanine. How do you pronounce it yourself? That'd be interesting to know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.